Hello guys, welcome again. My name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss how we reconcile our data within a minute. There are two lists available in this sheet. First of all, we select our list A just like this and create a name in name box. I have put a name list A. I have already make a name for list B. We will use the counting formula at here. First of all, we will write down count if parenthesis on and write down list B, then press the comma and write down the back cell reference number, which is C6, and then parenthesis closed and press enter, and copy this formula with Control C and paste like this. Point to be noted: one means bags item is available in list B, and 0 means this item chair is not available in list B. Okay, check the chair item in list B. Chair item is not available in list B, right? And printer item is not available in list B. You can see easily, right? We can easily reconcile our lists with the help of countif function. Now we will reconcile our list with the help of conditional formatting tool. First of all, copy this formula, countif formula like this with Control C and select the list A, and then go to the Home tab. I repeat, go to the Home tab and select Conditional Formatting tool. In Conditional Formatting tool, select New Rule, right? That dialog box will be appearing on the screen. Select this option and paste our formula in formula bar at here, and then type equal to 0, and then click the format button and go to the fill tab and select any color as you like, and then press OK button and then press OK again. You can easily see all items are highlighted in color which are not available in list B. We have reconciled our list A. Okay, let's reconcile our list B. First of all, select our list B and then go to the Home tab and click in Conditional Formatting tool. In Conditional Formatting tool, select New Row. Same procedure and paste our formula in formula bar. Please note, we will write down list A instead list B, right? And then type G6 reference number because we will reconcile our list B, right? And type equal to 0, and then go to the format button and go to the fill tab and select any color as you like, and you can bold or italic at here in border tab. Press OK button and then press OK again. You can see easily those items which are not available in list A are highlighted. Reconcile our list B with list A with the help of conditional formatting tool. Now we will check our duplicate data in list A with the help of countif function. First of all, we will write down our formula at here equal to count if parenthesis on list A and then press comma sign and type C6, and press enter. Copy this formula and paste like this, right? Point to be noted. 2 means this item means laptop. Item is enter over in this list in 2 times. Okay, check this item. Laptop is right here. Now we will check our data with the help of conditional formatting tool. First of all, select our list A like this and then go to the home tab and click on conditional formatting tool. In conditional formatting tool, select highlight cell rule and select duplicate values. A small dialog box will be appear on the screen. You can select colors as you like and press click OK button. You can see easily all duplicate data are highlighted in colors. We can also reconcile our numeric data like this means counter function and conditional formatting tool. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video on social media and WhatsApp group. We are also providing virtual bookkeeping services in very nominal prices. For bookkeeping services, please contact our info@parkbookkeeping.com or WhatsApp number. Okay guys, take care.